Hey everyone, it's Carol Foddick from the Carol Foddick Real Estate Group here at Signature Elite Realty. It is February 2026 and I would love to share an update on the Guildwood real estate market with you. I want to begin with a brief snapshot of what's happening in the GTA as a whole before bringing things closer to home here in Guildwood specifically. So the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board has released its numbers for January 2026 and the story across the GTA continues to be one of slower activity and more downward price pressure. There were only 3,082 homes sold through the TREB MLS system last month, representing a 19.3% decline in terms of number of sales compared to January of 2025, which was already at a significant decrease from 2024. This marked lowest annualized pace of home sales in more than 25 years, even lower than 2024, which previously held that record as a year. The average selling price across the GTA was $973,000, down 6.5% year over year. Inventory remains elevated, and that gives buyers more choice and more leverage, while some pockets of central Ontario, excluding condos of course, are still showing sellers market conditions. But the vast majority of the region remains firmly in buyers market territory. The TREB outlook for 2026 suggests that market activity for the first half of this year is going to look very similar to last year, with the potential for more movement later in the year if confidence in the economy improves. So bringing that lens specifically here to Guildwood, the picture is a little bit more encouraging than many might expect given the broader headlines. So over the past 6 months, homes sold through TREB in Guildwood specifically have averaged just 29 days on the market, reflecting a continued demand for specifically this community. When we look at values by housing type, the average sale price for two-story homes in Guildwood over the last 6 months has been averaging $1,245,000. Split-level homes are averaging $1,086,000, and bungalows have been averaging just under $1 million at $992,000. So the first time that we've seen this number slide under $1 million. These figures are based on homes traded through the Toronto Real Estate Board over the last 6 months and reinforce that Guildwood continues to hold its value comparatively well, particularly for well-positioned and well-prepared properties. We were honored recently to be able to sell a wonderful two-story home on Guildwood Parkway, and it continues to be a privilege to represent buyers and sellers right across this neighborhood that we both call home. For those of you actively watching the market, I also want to share that we currently have 3 really great Guildwood homes for sale. 1 on Sylvan's spectacular waterfront property, 2 on Toynbee Trail, and several more that we're preparing to come to the market in the next couple of weeks. If you're curious about how these compare to your own home, you're thinking about upsizing or downsizing, or you want to know what buyers are responding to right now, we're always happy to connect. We're also speaking with many Guildwood homeowners who are considering downsizing specifically, and there are some really compelling options nearby. We currently have a delightful and very affordable condo on Ling Road, just 10 minutes east of the Guild, and at about $350,000, it represents a rare and practical downsize opportunity in today's market. Additionally, we also have several brand new condos available at East Point, which is at Morningside Crossing. That's the new building that has lake views. These are excellent options for those looking for new construction, modern design, and long-term livability, which is close to trails, transport, transit, and of course the waterfront. As always, our role is to provide clarity, honest guidance, and deep local expertise, whether you're considering a move, planning a future transition, or simply just staying informed about the value of your home. Thank you for taking the time today to tune in. From my entire team to yours, I hope you guys have an amazing end of February. And of course, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions about the market or would like to have a detailed, more property-specific question. Take care, everyone.